Yeah boy, Alex Border here, and welcome back to the channel, guys. This video is gonna be super special because a couple of weeks back, I asked you guys to name 3 random objects. You guys had some really good suggestions, some awkward one as well, but that's okay. We took your suggestion, me and Eric behind the camera.
Hello, it's me, I'm here. Hi.
And we're gonna create some crazy magical effects. Well, hopefully some crazy magical effects with that. We'll see. So I'll stop talking and let's jump right into the video. All right, cool. All right, let's do it.
We have to sit next to each other because or else
Like this?
your head looks huge.
It's crazy how backwards I am, but my head is still the same size as yours.
Yeah, it's a huge head.
I'm actually super excited for this video. How about
We
you?
worked, truth be told, we're actually done filming the whole video and we're doing the intro after. We took all day to shoot this.
Yeah, but worth it.
Worth it. We got some gold.
Yeah.
Gold. I even burned myself for you guys. You see that? See?
We had to use so much brain juice.
Brain juice.
You guys had some really cool ideas.
Some of you are sick. You're sick.
Some awkward. All right, so we finally made some choices, and you want to explain what we?
I chose popsicle stick, glue, and pencil sharpener. And I also chose razor blade, toothbrush, and piece of string. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I have a little idea, but I know it's gonna be a routine. I know it's gonna be funny. I know it should be entertaining. I don't know.
So what I've picked is the tortilla pencil drill. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with that, but I just thought it was funny. I mean, I never use a tortilla or a drill to make magic, so I think it's gonna be really interesting. And the other thing I chose to do is the die, glass, and playing card. That one's gonna be really interesting. So basically what we had in mind is that we each try and create 2 tricks. And yeah, I think it's gonna be quite of a challenge actually, but it's gonna be lots of fun.
You wanna go first?
I mean, it's you. Rock, paper, scissors.
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Go. Show Alex's first clip.
All right, let's go.
That was good, man. Good. I like that one.
I mean, yeah, dude.
There's a lot of takes.
A lot of takes, but I mean,
yeah, okay.
how funny was that trick?
Yeah. I mean,
it's a tortilla.
The premise
Who doesn't love a tortilla?
You know what it feels like? It feels like a stage trick with close-up stuff. The drill, the tortilla.
Right. That would be a fun routine. I would see Wes do it. Marshmallows.
Did I mention I burned myself?
Eric, you're next.
I'll show you why I burned myself. Have a look at this. Alright, that was okay. I'm not satisfied, but I didn't have any more of that special.
It's
You get it. You get it. There's something in my teeth and take it out.
Yeah, I mean, who uses a razor blade to, you know, this guy?
That's right, baby. And I wipe my ass with sandpaper.
It's true.
Okay, all right, I'll go again. You know what? Because I'm not really satisfied with that clip. I don't care. It's just for fun. Hey, the toothbrush thing was okay.
Yeah.
I'm not super satisfied with it, but this one is pretty good. I worked hard on this one.
It's a sick routine.
I want to go to bed.
Okay, have a look.
With the thing, you put it in, you put the thing in, and you put it out.
It's all about routine, man.
You put it in and you put it out.
Yeah.
Like pow pow.
I was actually impressed, dude. I was actually impressed. I was actually impressed with your sleight of hand.
The first time I did it?
The first time I did it.
And they didn't flash you, like, let's film it 10 takes later. All right, last, save the best for last.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna use it for also maybe TikTok or something. You're gonna film it for me, please.
No, you just fucking use that
You're
shit.
gonna film it for me, please.
No.
Have a look at this one. I think it's pretty cool.
I think it's pretty cool too. Yeah. That was...
I mean, 45 takes, but...
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? I would say, okay, no, not 45.
39.
39. Yeah, that was good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is Eric Leclerc reminding you...
Don't wipe your ass with...
Oh, that was fun. Reminding you, don't really wipe your ass with sandpaper, idiots.
Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was lots of fun for us to make. All this to say, thank you guys for your suggestion. And let us know if you want us to make more videos like this.
Let us. This is lettuce. Let us. This lettuce. Okay, go.
And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here. My name is Alex Boyer. This is Eric Leclerc. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah.
We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Like and subscribe. Hey, come over to my channel where there's better videos and funnier stuff. We'll keep
that
you.
I
we
edit
care.
and film everything for him.
Yeah.